Greetings, students. Today let's discuss how to find the leg of a right triangle given the hypotenuse and the other leg. So I'm going to start off here by drawing a right triangle on a grid with a leg length of 3 and a hypotenuse length of 5. So here's my length of 3, starting here. 1, 2, 3 for that length. Now my hypotenuse length of 5, I'm going to put this way diagonally. Now you're going to see why in a minute here. It goes that way. So it's 5 long, and it's going to go from here down to here. So the shorter length is called the leg, and the longer length is called the hypotenuse. The missing leg here at the bottom, we're going to find is what we're going to find the length of. We can actually see that this missing length is 4 because of the way I've drawn the triangle. So you can count actually the boxes: 1, 2, 3, 4. And because it's a 1 centimeter grid on this particular grid. Let's find the length algebraically as well, because sometimes the value is not an integer, like it is here. So the formula is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So for this example, it's 3 squared plus b squared equals 5 squared. I could also write it as a squared plus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared, since the 3 could be considered the value of a or of the value of b. So this value of 3, this leg, I can consider it a or b. Alright, so 3 squared is equal to 9, and 5 squared is equal to 25. When I subtract 9 from 25, I get 16. And the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Therefore, b is equal to 4. This missing length right here. So I want to emphasize that this example is what is called a perfect square example, where all of the numbers are whole numbers. Most of your examples are not perfect squares, so this formula will work for every example, but the square root will not be a whole number on most of your examples.